Here's the package, 2 packages. The time is finally here. The S22 Ultra has came in. Like I was telling you in the previous Let's Talk video, it is Monday. We have a couple things hopefully in here other than just the phone. So this is the phone here. We have an accessory for the phone right here. We'll wait on this until we get the phone out. So we'll set this over here to the side. This is a small box. Like I said, there should be a couple things in here. But enough talking, let's get right into it because we got a lot of stuff to do before I'm setting this up. When I pre-ordered this phone, there were some specials going on. They kind of changed throughout the week, but mine was I got 2 free cases and a discount on the buds. I believe it was a discount on the buds, I forget. But yeah, so we're missing the 2 cases. They're the Samsung cases with the strap on the back. I guess this is eco-friendly packaging, very climatic. We got the Galaxy Buds 2, not the Buds Pro. This is for my wife. She wanted the new Buds Pro. She has the Buds Live. She wasn't a big fan of the Buds Pro because they did fall out of her ear a lot. I have the white version here, as you can see, I just have them as a display unit. But I have the white version and I've been loving these. They actually just got an update to have what the Pro version has is that 360 audio. So now you're really not missing anything if you go with the Buds 2 over the Buds Pro. Honestly, the quality isn't that drastic of a difference. Save a couple bucks, get the Buds 2. Now I would say get these if you have small ears. If you have big ears, get the Pro because these are smaller than the Pro and they will fall out if your ears are too big. Again, you can change out the ear tips and all that stuff. And then of course, all black Galaxy S2 Ultra. The box matches what colorway you got because as you can see, everything's all black. And yeah, let's just open up the Buds first. Get the cable with some ear tips right here in the middle. Typical all white USB-C, exactly the same casing as the Buds Pro, so no difference there. So as you can see, they are the green version. I think it looks pretty cool with the white on the outside, and then you open it up, you got the colorway you got. Now she got the green version because this kind of has more of a natural tone to it rather than like a typical white and black. Everything we get is usually white or black. She wanted to change it up a bit. Looks clean. The white version over the green version. So as you can see, I got the Spigen casing on this. So if you're interested in getting any type of casing, this is my favorite. It has like a rubber texture to it on the top and bottom. Some type of like textured material on the sides. And then of course you get the light on the front and then you get the clip there. So you can clip it to your belt loop or whatnot. Definitely check these out if you're interested. Again, I'll be linked down below along with this casing. And we're gonna go ahead and open up what we're all here for. Now we all know the annoyance with these companies not giving us everything that we should get, especially with the prices of these phones going up. We're now hitting $1,000+ phones and we don't get earbuds and we don't get chargers now and we get smaller boxes. I mean, there isn't much people could do unless we all complained and didn't buy it, but we're saving the planet. Anyways, here we are with the box, all black, simple look. Look at this. This is what we used to get for less money. We'd get a bigger box that came with everything in it, the charger, the earphones, S Pen tips, and all that stuff. Now we're paying $1,000+ for these phones. They're getting smaller and less stuff. It's ridiculous. The styling of the boxes are getting weaker too. I mean, they definitely made the boxes look a lot nicer. Nothing crazy, but you know, it looks nicer, a little more creative. Now it's just a little thing. It is what it is. What are you gonna do? Back to what we're here for. Galaxy S22 Ultra. As you can see, we are greeted with this glistening, beautiful, big screen. Oh man, I miss this style phone. I love the Fold series phones, but just something about the traditional style phone is comfortable to the touch and being able to hold. But I'll do some B-roll for you guys. Put this off to the side real quick. Look at all the stuff we don't get inside the box anymore. So you get the typical pamphlet with your SIM card tool in there and some manuals in there. I'm not even gonna bother open that up. And that's it. That's literally it. No charger, headphones, nothing. Crazy. This is what you get for $1,000+ nowadays. First glance in hand, feels solid compared to having this boy right here, the Fold 2. So as you can see, the differences in thickness. So you can see why I kind of miss having a regular phone, because I mean, this is a chunky candy bar. Granted, it's a lot thinner, so I can grip it a little bit easier. As you can see, the grip is a lot easier. I can reach my thumb across. I mean, this one, you kind of can if I get the reach. It's just a little bit easier to navigate with this candy bar style phone, but you're sacrificing weight and thickness. And then of course we all know the massive screen that this thing comes with. I am gonna miss this real estate of the Fold 2. You're still getting a decent amount of content real estate with the Ultra version. I mean, don't think you're gonna really miss out too much. I am trading this in for the S22 Ultra, but you can see these guys side by side. Did you see the S22 Ultra is taller? Now I'll do a full video on the comparisons and my opinion on this phone and that phone and all that other stuff. But right now we're just gonna enjoy the unboxing. That thing is sleek. I love the matte black. This thing is gorgeous. And of course you get that nice little glisten on the Samsung. Love that, looks good. Of course, the controversy of the camera hump. Now, I love this new style way. Me personally, I didn't like that big bulky chin that this thing had on the edge here. I think it's just a matter of people just getting used to it like everything. There was controversy with the camera look on the previous S lineup. Just looks a lot cleaner. Let's take off the front screen protector now. On the right side of the phone, of course, you got the volume rockers. Clicking this feels nice. Nothing really crazy new about the feel of the phone. It is a resemblance to the Note 20 Ultra, besides having that big camera thing here. Of course, you got the rounded edges on the glass here. On the top there, you got the mic. On the other side, you get nothing. You have your little antenna bands there. And then of course, on the bottom, you get that wonderful S Pen. That is the S22 Ultra, guys. Almost forgot. We're not ending the video here just yet. I forgot we have another accessory here. Almost forgot about it. So this is an accessory for the S22 Ultra. This is a brand that I've been getting for my phones for the past 3 phones. So the S10 Plus, the Note 20 Ultra, and the Fold 2. 3 phones. This is my 4th phone that I've got this case from this brand. This is exactly what I'm looking for. Simple, clean, elegant looking, and that is the later case. Blue from Unboxing, this is his brand. I'm sure we all know, if you're watching tech review videos, you know about Unbox Therapy. This is his brand. Put it on the phone, give you a quick look. And one thing I do love about this case, once we open it up, as you can see on the pictures, is that they hug the camera lenses on every phone. So it doesn't just cut out for the camera lenses, it actually hugs the individual lenses. Got their Twitter and Instagram logo there with their @ symbol, so go ahead and check them out on their social medias. It may be a little more expensive than an average case that you would get off Amazon, and you might not think it's worth it because it's so thin, but I'm telling you, this thing holds up. I've dropped them before on my S22 Ultra, my Note 20, I can't even say these names anymore. My Note 20 Ultra, I had it on here and I dropped it once. That was the only time I ever dropped my phone with this case on it, and it scuffed up the end and it held up pretty good. It is a Kevlar style case, and the good thing about this, it's not feels like some cheap plastic. You can actually feel the individual fibers when you touch it. So it does have a nice texture. Definitely helps with if you have a slippery phone. So not only do you get the thinness so you feel like it's still the phone without having a bulky case, but you still get a nice texture for gripping the phone. On the inside, you do get the later case logo there. Now it doesn't cover the actual full top of the phone. So if you're not really big on that, then again, this might not be for you. Again, they have it for multiple different phones. It doesn't have to just be for the S22 Ultra. So go check them out. All my iPhone users. All black with the carbon fiber case, so it's all black all the way around. It doesn't get any sexier than this, guys. So as you can see, it hugs the individual cameras. Doesn't add any bulk to it. Very, very thin. That is actually it now. So Galaxy Buds 2 olive green. Love the Buds 2. If you're interested in getting the Buds 2, link will be down below. You go ahead and check those out. The later case will be linked down below. Check them out. Kevlar style case for many different phones. So go ahead and check them out if you don't have this phone. And then of course the S22 Ultra. This thing is a beast. I gotta tinker with this. I gotta set this up. Gotta transfer all my stuff. Yeah, that's that. Again, be sure to hit that thumbs up on the video. Helps out greatly. I appreciate all you guys taking the time to watch my video. I know there's so many videos out there. Appreciate you guys. You guys enjoy the rest of your day. With that said, y'all stay nerdy. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.